Your organization offers its first impression to candidates during the recruitment phase when you make decisions about where to advertise job openings. Whilst there is certainly not a one recruitment medium fits all rule, there are several issues that those involved in recruitment can keep in mind to enhance the remainder of the recruitment and selection process. Let's first consider the difference between recruitment and selection. Often, the terms are incorrectly used interchangeably. However, recruitment more specifically refers to the first stage of the process, which hopefully results in placing the most appropriate person in a role, or a training and development program, and so on. So, recruitment is about finding people and bringing them into your selection pool. It follows that selection is the next stage, and this relates to choosing the right person from that pool. We will now focus on recruitment. However, as we do, I'd like you to keep in mind that whilst first impressions count, impressions created throughout the remainder of the recruitment and selection process are also important. It's not just impressions which are valued, but also how your candidates perceive the process they are going through, to the extent that it appears to be fair and objective, and results in choosing the best person for the position. So, always have those things in your mind and ask yourself at every stage, is this fair? Will it be seen to be fair? To what extent am I confident that this will result in making the right decision to select the best person for the role? In many countries, you need to be able to legally defend your selection process, and so these questions become ever more important. But, even if that doesn't apply to where you are, let's just imagine that it does. Use that as a motivator to strive to make your process not only fair, but an example to others. Returning to the issue of image or reputation. Everything I just mentioned impacts multiple reputations. The reputation of your organization, your department, the job, or program you are hiring for, and your own personal image or reputation as a professional who knows how to hire the best and set aside gut feelings, stereotypes, unfair judgments, and prejudices. So, since we are concerned about multiple reputations, and in line with that thought about making this entire process fair, and even using it as a marketing exercise for your organization, we need to ensure that the methods or channels we use for recruitment are aligned to the image we want to create, both for the external and internal stakeholders. This means, not only your job applicants, but also your customers, shareholders, and all current employees. Does it make sense, therefore, to advertise on a jobs board at your local supermarket? Unlikely. Unless you're looking for a local person who may be happy to do your shopping and similar tasks for you. However, if you want to find a good quality graduate with maybe some transferable skills in time management, communication, sales, and teamwork, then a university career fair is likely to be a better avenue. This is not just from the perspective of finding the right person, but in relation to all the points we need to keep in mind. Again though, you can influence your candidates with the message you send. If you choose to recruit at, say, only London careers fairs, this sends the message that you may not necessarily be looking for the best, rather the best out of those in London. If you instead opt for a selection of geographically dispersed career fairs at the best universities countrywide, your message about quality, as well as the importance of the role, becomes stronger. I work with clients who look for new graduates for their management training program on an annual basis. Their HR team tours career fairs in multiple countries to achieve this. Clearly, they are illustrating their desire to work with the best talent globally. The resulting selection process is arduous, but just like choosing the right recruitment avenue, this sends the message that in addition to looking for the best, they are serious about what they do. Their customers and their existing employees see that this attention to quality continues, reminding them of the need to be part of that ethos, and making them proud to work there. Recruitment then should start with a strategy which takes account of the recruiting medium and the message that is being sent by the recruiter about who they are, what they stand for, and what they are looking for. Using the right recruitment medium sets the stage for hugely improved selection practices, which starts with having a more aligned pool of applicants in the first place.